Welcome to this video. Fake CAPTCHA attacks spiked by 563% last year. I will post a link down in the notes, down in the video description to this article. But for those of you who are not aware of what a CAPTCHA is, this is when you go to a website or online service and it asks you to verify that you are not a robot by completing a puzzle or selecting images. Basically, a challenge to verify that you are a human, though AI is changing the landscape of these CAPTCHAs. But the reason I'm bringing this article up is I want to point out what you need to look for and how to be cautious. But it basically comes down to this section right here. Instead of a puzzle or a challenge, it basically involves a set of instructions, which then leads the user to open the Windows Run or the terminal or the PowerShell and tries to get the user to download something. These are all gigantic red flags. If any of this is coming up, not just in this situation, but just in general on the internet, you should never, ever do these things unless you are intentionally doing something and you know exactly what you're doing. And I know that there's a stigma sometimes when someone falls for one of these scams or attacks to point the finger and to call someone foolish. We really need to work as a community together to help support each other and spread and inform and educate to help people not fall victim to these attacks rather than pointing the finger at each other. In addition, there are some situations where they will pop up an error, essentially saying the CAPTCHA didn't work and that you then need to do X, Y, and Z to be able to validate you're human. This is also a red flag. And so just be very careful as you're using the internet and using these CAPTCHAs. That is everything for this video, but if you do have any comments or questions, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider sharing it. And if you would like to support the channel, go ahead and hit that join button to become a member for as low as 99 cents a month, the thanks button, the subscribe button, or that bell notification icon to get notifications on future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.